Hi, in this video I will explain the previous year's questions of IGNOU MCA for the subject Security and Cyber Laws. The second question is explain types of conventional ciphers. Conventional ciphers, also known as classical or traditional ciphers, are encryption techniques that have been used historically before the advent of modern computer-based encryption methods. These ciphers operate on blocks of plaintext and transform them into ciphertext through various substitution and transposition techniques. The types of ciphers diagrammatic view is as follows. The first one is Caesar cipher. Named after Julius Caesar, this is a simple substitution cipher where each letter in the plaintext is shifted a certain number of places down or up the alphabet. The next one is monoalphabetic cipher. In a monoalphabetic cipher, each letter in the plaintext is replaced with another letter consistently throughout the message. The most well-known example is the simple substitution cipher. That is, A can be replaced by any other alphabet from B to Z. The next one is polyalphabetic cipher. Unlike monoalphabetic ciphers, polyalphabetic ciphers use multiple substitution alphabets. The Wegener cipher is a classic example, where each letter in the plaintext is shifted according to a keyword. The next one is transposition cipher. Transposition ciphers involve rearranging the order of the letters in the plaintext without altering the actual letters themselves. An example is the rail fence cipher, where the text is written in a zigzag pattern across a certain number of lines. The next one is Playfair cipher. The Playfair cipher uses a 5x5 matrix of letters to encrypt digraphs, pairs of two letters. The matrix is filled with a keyword, and rules are applied to determine the ciphertext. The next is Hill cipher. The Hill cipher is a polygraphic substitution cipher that encrypts blocks of plaintext, usually 2x2 or 3x3 matrices, using modular arithmetic. It involves matrix multiplication with a key matrix. It's important to note that while these conventional ciphers were once widely used, they are no longer considered secure for modern cryptographic applications. Modern encryption relies on more advanced and mathematically secure algorithms. Thank you.